that pile of snow up there. The big pile.
Pretty cool.
All right.
All right, you ready? So is that like Gert's tractor?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just a little bit smaller. Anyway, pretty cool.
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna go inside. You got
Okay.
Inside. You have one more.
All right, show me how it does in the snow. Ready? Go.
Yep.
You got it? There you go.
I have a chance too.
I know. All right. Finish plowing the driveway. Doing a good job. There you go. All right. That's pretty good in the snow. Oh, that's it? Okay.